Atamalo 60 mag jopuonjre mag grade mar 9 nyochoro kwayo matimo kit somo mag science kwano kod lony manyasani medeno ni STEM chakre grade mar 10. Moyanko jagoro mongere migawo masomo Julius Bitok mane olose kidero mane okelo kanyakla jopuonjre manyiri matimo somo mag science kwano kod lony manyasani romo mobagi e boma Nairobi. Bitok koni kaka migawo masomo gitiyo matek neno ni gihiko chenro duto mag somo STEM kendo gijiwo jopuonjre mondo yier lai kar rombgi kaluwore gi tije mayudore bang' somo. Piny owacho dhi nyime kod gero kuonde timo nonro mag science laboratory 1600 e pacho ka mangima.
We are encouraging Kenyan students to go STEM way because we believe STEM can transform a nation. Out of the 3 pathways, STEM, arts and social sciences, and sports, we are saying we are encouraging 60% of our learners to go STEM way. And the government is investing heavily, including the construction of 1,600 labs around the country so that all students who choose STEM at least have a lab in their school. The government has put in on mechanisms, they have put in place systems to ensure that we have a smooth transition. And we are encouraging every school to at least select 2 pathways. And we are encouraging them at least one of the pathways needs to be STEM because of the importance of science, technology and engineering and mathematics in transforming a nation. We are expecting 1.2 million learners to transit from junior school to senior school. And we are saying 60% of these learners will be doing STEM. Already these 1.2 million learners have been given an opportunity to select their schools of choice in the senior school.